Immigration into the US. People have migrated before the beginning of societies. As animals do, humans have moved from one place to another for different reasons like shelter, food, survival, freedom, etc. The migration phenomenon has caused a lot of changes all over the world. For example, new countries have appeared and some others have almost or completely disappeared. The United States of America is the perfect icon of immigration. Why? Let's find it out. The United States is a country formed by immigrants. Between 1850 and 1930, the US took in about 35 million people. Of those people, 6 million came from Germany, about 5 million each from Italy and Ireland, 1 million more than live in Ireland today, 3.3 million from Russia, and 2.5 million from Scandinavia. In 1819, 4 out of 5 people in New York City were either foreign born or the children of immigrants. But why did so many people come to the US? Mainly to escape from poverty in their own countries, and in some cases as a result of persecution for religious or political beliefs. In the last half of the 20th century, immigration showed that people still came to the United States because there was not enough work or other weren't too many problems in their own countries. In 1997, the United States received a total 1,718,378 immigrants. Many of these came from Mexico, 147,000, Southeast Asia, 128,000, and the Caribbean, about 110,000. The principal results of immigration are the huge number of foreign words in English in the font and in this cosmopolitan culture of the United States. There have been many famous immigrants or children of immigrants, including Charlie Chaplin, Albert Einstein, Madonna, and Arnold Schwarzenegger.